Viewers, we are here in the China downtown of Falaj, and our friend is making a cold coffee just like ice cream for us. He's very expert. We have tasted. It's very tasty. What's your name, friend?
My name is Muhammad Omar. I'm working in Oxygen Cafe.
Okay. He's a very nice person.
Ice coffee should be smoothies. يعني ice should be more. Yeah. Then it will become more tasty.
It's very tasty. Yes, we have tasted. Friends, whenever you comes towards the China downtown of Falaj, please must taste the coffee of this friend. It's very tasty, delicious.
Green.
Look at this. It's very delicious, very tasty. How is this?
This is really fantastic.
Really fantastic, huh?
As like Abhinandan.
Oh, okay. Thank you.